Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to do the basic integration of polynomials involving fractions and radicals. So pag sinabi nating integration, it is also called the antiderivative or ibig sabihin, kabaligtaran ng pagde-derive. Kung ang isang function guys ay na-derive nyo na and then gusto nyo siyang ibalik dun sa original function niya, ang gagawin ninyo is integration. Okay? Kaya siya tinawag na antiderivative. Kasi after ma-derivative ang isang function and then you want it to be back to the original function, you will do the integration. So, let us have the first example. The integral of 12x squared minus 8x plus 9 dx. Okay, etong symbol na to na dx sa dulo, ang ibig sabihin niyan is the whole function was derived. Ibig sabihin na derivative na siya. So, dumaan siya sa derivation and then, kung gusto nating i-eliminate or itanggalin itong derivation niya, we will do the integration. So, gagawin natin yung kabaligtaran ng mga rules na ginagawa sa derivative. So, di ba sa derivative, review lang tayo. Like, for example, we have 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Ayan. So, di ba paano natin dinederivative to? So, for example, ayan, the derivative of 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. So, di ba nagma-minus tayo ng 1? So, ang ginagawa natin, 2, itong 2 na to, and then, imumultiply natin to dito. So, times 2, x raised to 2 minus 1. And then, minus, this one is 3 na lang. And then, this one is 0. Kasi the derivative of any constant is 0. Ngayon, kapag ka x lang yung partner, di ba tinatanggal natin yung x? Okay? Kapag ka derivative, nagma-minus tayo ng 1 and then ang ginagamit natin ay multiplication dun sa numerical coefficient. So, ang magiging sagot ng derivative nito is 4x minus 3 dx. Okay? Ngayon, kapag ka naman integration, guys, babaligtarin nyo yung mga rules. Okay? So, let us have the first example, the integral of 12x squared minus 8x plus 9 dx. So, itong 12x squared na to, okay, instead of unahin natin yung pagmumultiply nito, dito, ang uunahin nyo is yung minus ng 1, pag-plus ng 1 doon sa exponent. Okay? So, yung 2 na yan na exponent, I will add 1. Nag-add ako ng 1 kasi kabaligtaran nun yung sa derivative. Diba sa derivative, nagma-minus tayo ng 1. Sa integration naman, magka-plus kayo ng 1. And then, pagkatapos nun, saka nyo siya i-divide dito sa numerical coefficient. Diba ang ginagawa natin sa derivative, minumultiply. So, the opposite of multiplication is division. So, ang gagawin natin, i-divide ko to dito sa may bagong exponent which is 2 plus 1. So, kakopy ko lang si 2 plus 1. Okay? Minus, so si 8x, may imaginary yung x dyan na 1. Okay? So, mag-a-add ako ng 1. And then, over 1 plus 1. Okay? Plus, so this one, alam natin na galing siya sa 9x. Kaya, ang naging derivative niya ay 9. So, basically guys, ang gagawin ninyo, kapag ka nag-i-integral kayo ng constant lang, lalagyan nyo lang siya ng x. Depende kung anong letter yung derivative. Okay? Halimbawa, integral of 19 dx. So, ang magiging sagot nyo ay 19x. Integral of 4 dx. So, ang magiging sagot nyo ay 4x. Okay? So, basically, lalagyan nyo lang siya ng x kapag ka nag-i-integrate kayo ng constant. Okay? So, itong 9 na to, ang integral niyan ay 9x. Now, kapag ka-integration, lalagyan nyo siya ng plus c. Kasi ina-assume natin na merong constant dito sa original function na derivative. Kasi ang derivative ng constant ay 0. So, nagiging 0 kasi lahat. Kahit gaano pa kalaki ang constant, nagiging 0. Kaya maglalagay tayo ng c para ma-assume natin na itong original function ay meron siyang constant. Na derivative lang, kaya naging 0. Okay? And then, we will simplify this. So, this one would be 12x cubed. So, 2 plus 1 is cubed. Kung ano man yung exponent dyan sa taas, yun na yung exponent sa denominator. Yung number sa denominator. So, cube din to. 2 plus 1. Minus 8x, so 1 plus 1 is 2 over 2. Okay? Plus 9x plus c. So, simplify pa ulit. 12 divided by 3 is 4x cubed. Okay? 8 divided by 2 or negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4x squared. Okay? Plus 9x plus c. So, this one is our final answer. Ang ibig sabihin nito guys, binalik lang natin itong na-derivative na to na si 12x squared minus 8x plus 9 doon sa function na pinanggalingan niya nung hindi pa siya na-derivative. Kaya kapag ka-derivative nyo tong 4x cubed minus 4x squared plus 9x plus c, dapat bumalik yan dito. I mean, pupunta siya dyan. Okay? So, try natin siyang i-derivative. So, 4 times 3, that is 12x. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay? Minus 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, x. So, 2 minus 1, that is 1 na lang. And then, derivative nito is 9 na lang. So, mawawala yung x. And derivative ng constant is 0. So, the final answer is 12x squared minus 8x plus 9 dx. Ibig sabihin na derivative na in terms of x. So, pupunta siya dito, guys. Okay? Kaya, ang ibig sabihin ng integration, yung original function ay, yung na derivative na function, binabalik natin doon sa original function. Okay? So, if you want to check, i-derivative nyo ulit yung sagot, dapat pupunta siya doon sa given ninyo na hindi pa, na derivative na. Okay? Let us have the second example. Okay, let's have the integral of 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus x plus 5. Okay? So, again, 2x raised to 3 plus 1, magiging plus 1 yan, over, copy, 3 plus 1, plus 3x raised to 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Okay? Minus x raised to 1 plus 1, may imaginary kasi yan na 1, over 1 plus 1. And then, itong 5 na to, yung constant, lagyan lang natin ng x. And then, plus c. Okay? So, this one would be 2x raised to 4 over 4 plus 3x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2 plus 5x plus c. And then, simplify the fractions. So, 2 over 4 is 1 half. So, 1 half x raised to 4. And then, 3 over 3 canceled na yan. So, ang matitira lang ay x cubed minus x squared over 2 plus 5x plus c. So, here is the final answer. Okay? Sige, let's have the third example. Okay. The integral of 9x squared minus 4x plus 3 dx. Okay? So, 9x. So, yan 2 na yan. 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Minus 4x raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. May imaginary na 1 yan, di ba? Okay? And then, the integral of 3 is 3x plus c. Wag na wag niyong kakalimutan yung plus c. And then, simplify. So, 9x cubed over 3 minus 4x squared over 2 plus 3x plus c. So, the final answer is 9 over 3. That is 3x cubed minus 4 divided by 2 is 2x squared plus 3x plus c. So, the final answer is this one. Okay? Sige, let's have naman fractions. Okay. Sige, bago tayo mag-fraction, sige, mag-integral muna tayo. Yung simpleng radical. So, for example, square root of x plus 5x minus 1. Okay. So, kapag ka-integration, guys, para siyang derivative. Hindi kayo makakapag-integral kagad kapag ka may radical. At saka, may variable sa denominator. So, ang gagawin nyo muna tong exponential. So, the integral of, so, syempre, alam na natin na ang exponential niyan ay x raised to 1 half. Diba? So, yung 1 would be the exponent, yung numerator, and then yung index niya dito na 2, or square root, yun yung magiging denominator ng fraction ng exponent nyo. Okay? So, pagkatapos niyan, wag nyo munang i-integral. Pag nag-integral kayo, dapat sabay-sabay silang lahat. Okay? So, plus 5x minus 1. O, wala na tayong radical. And then, wala naman tayong fraction na merong variable sa denominator. So, pwede na tayong mag-integral. So, ganun pa rin, same process. So, x raised to 1/2 plus 1. So, ito palagi kong sinasabi guys, para hindi kayo malito kapag ka nag-a-add kayo ng 1 sa fraction, ang gawin ninyo ay pagparehasin nyo na lang yung denominator para madali lang. Gawin yung 2/2. Kasi 2/2 naman is equivalent to 1 para mabilis nyo siyang maiyaan. Okay? Parehas lang naman yan. So, halimbawa, kung meron kang x raised to 1/3, so instead of putting plus 1, I will put 3/3 because this one is equivalent to 1 para lang madali siyang i-add kasi same na sila ng denominator. Okay? So, ganun ang gagawin yung shortcut kapag ka meron kayong fraction na kailangan i-add ng 1. Okay? So, over, so kopyahin ko to, 1/2 plus 2/2. Okay, plus, so, integral natin yung 5x. We will have 5x 1 plus 1, okay, over 1 plus 1. Okay, the integral of negative 1, so constant yan. Ibig sabihin, negative 1x, okay, plus c. And then, i-simplify lang natin. So, this would be x raised to 3/2, okay, over 3/2 din, plus 5x squared over 2. And then, tanggalin na natin yung negative 1 kasi negative 1x is equivalent to negative x plus c. So, ayusin lang natin to guys. Itong first term, ito okay na. Ito rin. Wala nang problema dyan. Ito lang, medyo magulo. Ang daming fraction. So, x raised to 3/2. Ang gagawin nyo lang dyan guys is imumultiply ko sa reciprocal ng 3/2 which is 2/3. Okay? And then, I will copy the rest. So, plus 5x squared over 2 minus x plus c. So, pag minultiply ko yan, that would be 2x raised to 3/2 over 3 plus 5x squared over 2 minus x plus c. So, this can be your final answer. Pero pwede nyo rin namang ibalik siya sa radical. So, pag binalik ko to sa radical, para wala kayong fraction na exponent, pwede na to guys. Pwede nang tanggapin na sagot to kasi wala naman tayong negative exponents. Pero kung gusto nyo siyang ibalik sa radical, pwede rin. So, magiging 2 and then x. So, itong cube na to, mapupunta siya dun sa exponent and then yung squared na to would be the index. So, magiging square root of x cubed over 3 plus 5x squared over 2 minus x plus c. Okay? And then, since 2 to, and then 3, ibig sabihin, pwede tayong maglabas ng isang x squared kasi 2 to. So, pwede nyo ilabas yung isang x squared, magiging 2x, and then may matitirang isa sa loob, x. So, over 3 plus 5x squared over 2 minus x plus c. So, that would be our final answer. Okay? Paano tayo nag-e-extract ng ng mga x sa loob ng radical? Ito kasi guys, is square root to. Okay? So, may mailalabas kayong, parang yan parang ganito. Square root of x squared times x. Ayan. Pag sinabi kasing x squared times x, that is equivalent to x cubed. So, etong x squared na to, pwede natin siyang ilabas ng radical. And then, square root of x squared is isang x. Kaya, malalabas nyo siya dito. Okay? And then, you will have a remaining x sa loob. Okay? So, ganun lang yun. Sige, let's have another example of radical. Okay, for example, the integral of 9th root of x raised to 5 plus 3x plus 7 dx. Okay? So, again, hindi muna tayo mag-i-integrate kasi meron tayong radical. So, ang gagawin muna is, ayusin muna yung radical na yan to exponential. So, x raised to 5 over 9. Okay, ito yung numerator, the root would be, or the index would be the denominator. And then plus 3x plus 7. And then saka tayo mag-integral. So, x raised to 5 over 9 plus, so I will add 9 over 9. Kasi, ibig sabihin yan, 1 naman yan. Okay, over, so, 5 over 9 plus 9 over 9. Plus, so this one would be 3x raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Plus, so constant, 7x plus c. Okay? So, 5 plus 9 is 14. So, this one would be x raised to 14 over 9 over 14 over 9 plus 3x squared over 2 plus 7x plus c. Okay? Ang ano nyo dyan guys, pwedeng iangat nyo to dito. Oh. Tapos may iwan yung 14 dyan. So, magiging, para hindi na kayo mag-reciprocal. Kasi multiply nyo to sa reciprocal which is 9 over 14. So, ganun na lang gawin nyo. Okay? So, magiging 9 x raised to 14 over 9 over 14. Ayun, may iwan yung 14 doon. Plus, so itong 3x squared over 2, nakasimplify na. And then the plus 7x plus c. Okay? At again, pwede na itong sagot. Pero if you want to ibalik to sa radical, pwede rin naman. So, 9x. So, ang 14 natin would be the exponent. And then, ang root natin is 9 over 14. Plus 3x squared over 2 plus 7x plus c. Okay? So, ilan bang 9 ang meron sa 14? Merong isa. So, makakapaglabas tayo ng isang x raised to 9. So, ang magiging sagot natin ay may isang malalabas na x raised to 9 and then may matitirang 5 sa loob. Ayan. Para kayo nagdi-divide. Tapos yung nasa loob yung remainder. Diba? So, merong isang 9 sa loob ng 14. So, makakapaglabas tayo ng isang 9. Yan, x raised to 1. Okay? Tapos, kung ilalabas nyo yung x raised to, ano na yun, yung x raised to 9 dito, so, syempre, may matitirang x raised to 5. Okay? Over 14 plus 3x squared over 2 plus 7x plus c. So, this one would be your final answer. Simplified. Okay? Sige, let's have the next example. So, the integral of, let's have cube root of x squared minus 6x dx. Okay, so let us have this one. So, may radical na naman tayo. Therefore, we cannot proceed to the integration agad. So, gagawin muna natin siyang exponential. That would be x raised to 2/3 minus 6x dx. So, integral pa rin. Okay, and then that would be x raised to 2/3 plus 3 over 3 over 2/3 plus 3 over 3 minus 6x raised to 2. Okay, shortcut ko na ha kasi 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, over 2 plus c. Okay, so this one would be x raised to 5 over 3 over 5 over 3 minus, so 6 divided by 2, ito is 3. So 3x squared plus c. Okay, so reciprocal nun would be 3/5. So magiging 3x raised to 5/3 over 5. Okay, so reciprocal nito. So, mamumultiply ito dito sa numerator. Okay? Minus 3x squared plus c. Okay? So, balik natin sa radical. That would be 3x raised to 5. Okay? Cube root of x raised to 5 over 5 minus 3x squared plus c. Okay? So, ilang 3 ang meron sa 5? Merong isa. So, makakapaglabas tayo ng isang x. Okay? And then, may matitirang dalawa. Okay? Pag nilabas natin yung x cube na yun, syempre, you will have a remaining x squared over 5 minus 3x squared plus c. So, here is your final answer. Okay? Let us have naman yung fraction na polynomial. Okay, let's have the integral of 2 over x over 3 minus 5x squared over 6 plus 8. dx. Okay, as long as, kung ang fraction nyo guys, as long as ang variable nyo ay nasa numerator, walang problema yun. Okay? Wala kayong ibang gagawin kung hindi mag-integral na kagad. Magkakaroon lang kayo ng konting adjustment kapag ang variable nyo ay nasa denominator. Parang pag nagde-derivative tayo, di ba? Di ba pag nagde-derivative tayo, inaakyat muna natin kapag negative yung, kapag nasa ilalim yung variable. So, ito, yung variable natin nasa numerator naman, si x at saka si x squared. So, wala tayong problema dyan. And then, itong 8 naman, madali yung i-integral. Okay? So, pag nag-i-integral kayo ng fraction na nasa numerator naman ang niya, diretso na kayo integrate. So, magiging 2. So, x raised to 1 to, di ba? Magiging x squared niya siya. Over, ito guys, yung 3 na yan, dyan pa rin siya. And then, multiply mo lang dito sa may bagong exponent. So, magiging ganyan siya. Okay? Minus. So, ang gawin nyo ganito. Kopyahin nyo muna yung number. Ayan. Tapos, saka nyo i-integral yung x. So, itong x na to, magiging x cube na yan. Kasi plus 1. And then, yung 3 na yan, i-multiply ko yan dito sa 6 sa ilalim. Okay? Plus, so, integral of 8, lalagyan lang natin ng x. So, 8x. Tapos, simplify lang natin. Okay? 2, 2, cancelled yan. Or, pwedeng, magiging ano yan, guys? 2 over 6. Parehas lang, 1/3 din. Okay? So, may natirang 1 or x squared sa taas, 1x squared over 3. Okay? Minus, so this one is 5x cubed over 18. So, wala namang factor si 5 at saka si 18. So, nakasimplify na yan. Plus 8x, ayun, nalimutan ko, plus c. Okay? So, the final answer is x squared over 3 minus 5x cubed over 18 plus 8x plus c. Again, palagi ko rin itong sinasabi na ito guys ay equal lang sa 1/3 x squared minus 5 over 18 x cubed, ayan, plus 8x plus c. Kung ihiwalay ko man yung mga variable ng exponent, pwede yun. Okay? Pwede nyong ihiwalay na ganito ang sulat. So, yung x squared over 3, pwede yung 1/3 x squared. Okay? Pwede nyong ihiwalay na ganyan. So, the final answer can be this two. Pwede na to. Pero kung gusto nyong ihiwalay, go. Push nyo lang. Okay? Sige, let's have integral of x raised to 4 over 2 plus 7x over 3 minus 9x squared plus 1 dx. Okay? So, again, yung x raised to 4 na yan, magiging x raised to 5 over, so yung 2 na yan, imamultiply ko ngayon yan sa 5. Okay, yung 2 na sa ilalim. Plus, so si 7x, magiging 7x squared. Okay, kasi 1 plus 1 over 3, andyan pa rin siya, mamultiply ko yan ngayon sa 2. Okay, minus, so 9x squared, magiging 9x cubed over 3. And then, the integral of 1 is 1x or x. So, plus x plus c. Okay, so this one would be x raised to 5 over 10 plus 7x squared over 6 minus, so 9 over 3 is 3x cubed plus x plus c. So, the final answer is this one. Ayan. So, na-simplify na natin lahat. Okay? Let us have okay, let's have this one. The integral of 24 over x squared plus 8x. So, meron tayong fraction. Tapos, ang variable natin nasa denominator. So, again, hindi kayo pwede agad integral kapag ka ang variable ay nasa denominator. So, iaakyat nyo muna siya sa numerator. So, magiging integral of 24. So, pag inakyat nyo yan, magiging 24x raised to negative 2. So, mababago siya ng sign. And then, copy lang yung 8x since wala namang problema dyan. Okay? So, kapag katas nyan, naayos nyo na siya, pwede na kayo mag-integral. So, this one would be 24. Okay? X raised to negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Kaya, ang magiging bagong exponent nyo ay negative 1. Over yung bagong exponent na negative 1. Palagi nyong i-over, palagi nyong i-divide dun sa bagong exponent. Okay? Plus 8x. So, ito may raised to 1. Okay? Plus 1, 2. So, 2 over 2. Okay? Plus c. So, this one would be 24 divided by negative 1 is negative 24. X raised to negative 1. And then 8 divided by 2 is 4x squared. Ayan. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then copy x squared plus c. So, meron tayong negative exponent. Baba nyo lang yun guys para maging positive siya kung nasa numerator siya. Okay? Bawal ang sagot na negative exponent. So, pag binaba ko siya, may iwan si negative 24 sa taas. And then, dun siya sa baba. Okay? X raised to 1. Huwag yun ilalagay yung 1. Diba? Alam nyo naman yun. Plus 4x squared plus c. So, the final answer is this one. Okay? Sige, let's have another example. Okay, let's have the integral of 3 over 2x cubed, okay, minus 1 over x squared plus 7x plus 9 dx. Okay, so again, may problema tayo dito kasi meron tayong x cubed and x squared sa denominator. So, iaakyat ko muna siya. So, yung x cubed dito sa una, magiging katabi niya si 3. So, magiging 3x raised to negative 3. Okay, may iwan si 2 sa baba. Okay, minus, so si 1, makakatabi niya si x, pero magiging negative 2 na. Okay, and then plus 7x plus 9. Okay, and then dx. So, saka natin siya i-integral. So, ang integral nito, 3x raised to negative 3, guys. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So, negative 2. May 2 tayo rito sa ilalim. So, over 2 pa rin to. Times negative 2, which is this one. Okay? Minus, so, itong 1, tanggalin ko na ha. So, x raised to negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So, negative 1 over negative 1. Ayan. Okay? Plus, so 7x, so magiging 7x squared over 2. And then yung 9 is positive 9x plus c. Okay? So, ayusin lang natin to. So, this one would be 3x raised to negative 2 over negative 4. Okay? Negative, tas negative din to. So, magiging positive na to. So, positive x raised to negative 1. Divided by 1 is the number itself. So, mawawala na yung 1 dyan sa ilalim. Okay? Plus 7x squared over 2 plus 9x plus c. So, 3 over negative 4 is negative 3/4. Ayan. X raised to negative 2 plus x raised to negative 1 plus 7x squared over 2 plus 9x plus c. So, syempre, meron tayong negative exponent. Ibababa natin yung mga negative exponent. So, negative 3 over 4x squared plus, so, ibababa nito itong x raised to negative 1. So, matitira yung 1 sa taas over x. Okay? Plus, so, ito wala nang problema, guys. Yan na yun. Okay? Plus c. So, here is our final answer. Okay? Sige, let's have another example. So, eto, paano pagka ganito, guys? For example, wait lang. Okay, for example, let's have 1 over x dx. Okay, pag 1 over x dx, so meron siyang variable sa ilalim, so iaakyat natin siya, diba? So, magiging integral of 1x raised to negative 1 dx. So, pag in-integral ko yan, magiging 1x raised to negative 1 plus 1. Diba? Okay, 1, negative 1 plus 1, and then over kung ano to, diba? So, negative 1 plus 1 din, plus c. Yun nga lang, guys, nagkakaroon ng problema because of this one. Kasi negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So, magiging ano yan? Over 0 siya. At alam natin na ang over 0 is undefined. So, hindi siya pwede sa math. That's why, meron tayong rule para dyan sa ang denominator ay x lang. Okay? So, i-apply nyo yung rule na the integral of 1 over x dx is equal to ln x plus c. Okay? So, ang magiging sagot nyo ay ln x plus c kapag ka-integral of 1 over x. Ano yung mga example? Halimbawa, integral of 6 over x dx. Ayan. So, nakita nyo na x lang yung ilalim. So, pag inakyat nyo kasi yan, guys, magiging negative 1 na naman siya. Magiging 6x raised to negative 1. So, pag nag-plus 1 ako dyan, eto, guys, 0 yan. So, negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Kaya magiging 0 to. Okay? So, ia-apply nyo yung rule ng ln. So, magiging, ang sagot nyo dyan ay 6 ln x plus c. Okay? Ganun lang siya. Kahit na fraction, ganun pa rin ang gagawin nyo. Halimbawa, integral of 3 over 5x, okay, dx. Okay? So, ang gawin nyo, guys, ang shortcut niyan, kung x lang naman yung nasa ilalim na variable, i-copy nyo to, yung pinaka-number niya. So, ang magiging sagot ay 3/5 ln x plus c. Ganun lang siya, guys. Basta x ang denominator and constant ang numerator, ang i-apply nyo is the 1 over x dx is equal to ln x plus c. Okay? So, integral kunyari ng 2 over x dx, automatic 2 ln x plus c. Okay? Integral ng 1/4 x dx. So, the answer is 1/4 ln x plus c. Okay? Okay, let's have the last two examples of integration. So, let us have the integral of 4x cubed minus 2x squared over 3 plus 2 over 3x squared plus 4 over 5x dx. Okay? So, hindi agad tayo guys pwedeng mag-integral dito because we have variable in the denominator. Ito si x squared at saka si x. Okay? So, iaakyat muna natin siya. So, 4x cubed minus 2x squared over 3, copy lang yung mga walang problema, plus 2 thirds, so iakyat ko na si x squared, magiging x raised to 2 na siya. Okay, plus, so this one would be 4x raised to negative 1 over may iwan dun si 5 sa ilalim, dx. Okay, so this one, mag-integral na tayo pagka naakyat na lahat ng iaakyat na variable. So, magiging 4x raised to 4 na to over 4 minus, so 2x, so itong squared na to, magiging cube siya, over, so copy nyo yung nasa ilalim na 3, and then multiply dun sa bagong numerator na 3, ay bagong exponent. Okay, plus, so 2x raised to negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So, negative 1 over 3 times, ito, yung bago, negative 1. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, lahat sila ay ibababa nyo dito. Ayan, di ba? Okay? And then, ito, 'di ba? Magiging 0 to kasi we all know that negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So basically, yung ilalim nyo magiging 0. That's why you will apply yung kaninang rule natin. So ang magiging itsura ng sagot ninyo is, so ito siya, okay? So pag inintegral ko yan, magiging 4/5 ln x, okay? Plus c. Okay? Ganun yung example natin kanina. Okay? So, iayos lang natin to. So, 4 over 4, canceled yan. So, x raised to 4 minus, so 2x cubed over 6, ay over 9, sorry. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, this one is negative 3. Tama? So, this one, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Okay, negative 3 plus 4/5 ln x plus c. Okay? So, iayos pa natin ito. Ito, medyo magulo siya. Ayan. So, x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed over 9. So, 2 over negative 3, syempre, magiging negative na yung buong fraction. So, negative 2 thirds. And then, x raised to negative 1, ibaba natin siya para maging positive. So, mapupunta siya dito. X raised to 1. And then, plus 4/5 ln x plus c. So, here is our final answer. Okay, sige, let's have the last example of the integration of basic integration. So, kunyari, we have the integral of cube root of x. Ito, hinalo-halo ko na. Over 8 over plus 8 over 3x plus 14x plus 9x squared over 5 minus 2 over 3x cubed. Okay? Hindi, dagdagan pa natin. Ayan. Plus 10 dx. Okay, so let's have this one. Again, may radical. So, hindi kayo pwede agad mag-integral. At the same time, may radical. Meron ding variable sa denominator. So, gagawin ko muna siyang simplify or exponential muna nitong radical. So, magiging x raised to 1/3. Okay? Plus, so 8 over 3, ay aakyat ko si x, magiging x raised to negative 1. Okay? Plus 14x plus, okay? So, ito walang problema. Nasa taas yung x. Okay? And then, ito problema na naman siya. So, iaakyat ko si x cubed. So, magiging x raised to negative 3, may iwan si 3 sa baba. Plus 10 dx. And then, saka kayo mag-i-integral. So, x raised to 1/3, magiging x raised to 1/3 plus 3 over 3. Over 1/3 plus 3 over 3. Yan. Plus, ito guys, plus 1 to. So, 0. Mag-0 yung ilalim. Okay? So, ang magiging sagot natin ay plus, so ito, ang derivative niyan ay 8/3 ln x. Okay? Plus, so ito naman tayo. Okay? So, 14x. So, instead of x na lang, x lang, magiging x squared siya. Over, so yung 2 na yan, copy sa denominator. Plus, so 9x magiging cube na. Over, so itong 5 na to, na originally nandyan, mamumultiply dito sa bagong exponent na 3. Minus, so 2x raised to negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So negative 2. Over, so yung 3 na yan, imumultiply ko sa negative 2. Okay, plus, integral ng 10, so constant yan, 10x. Plus c. Ayan. Okay? So, this one would be x raised to 4/3 over 4/3 plus, ito okay na to 8/3 ln x. Okay? Plus, so 14 divided by 2 is 7x squared plus, so 9x cubed over 15. Okay? So, 5 times 3 is 15. Minus, okay, 2x raised to negative 2 over 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Plus 10x plus c. Okay? So, ayusin lang natin. So, itong 3, 4/3, reciprocal niyan is 3 over 4. So, mamumultiply siya dito. So, magiging 3x raised to 4/3, okay, over 4, okay, plus 8/3 ln x plus 7x squared plus, so 9 and 15 are both divisible by 3. So, pwede natin masimplify yan to 3x cubed over 5. Okay? And then, this one, negative, negative. So, magiging positive na siya. So, plus. Okay? And then, 2 over 6 is 1/3. Diba? So, 1 over 3. And then, yung x raised to negative 2, since negative siya, ibababa natin siya. So, mapupunta siya dito. So, magiging 1 over 3x squared. Okay? And then, si 10x, okay na siya, plus c. So, eto guys, pwede na. Pero yung radical, pwede nyo pang isimplify. So, magiging 3x, wait lang ha. So, x raised to 4, so cube root, okay, over 4. Plus 8/3 ln x plus 7x squared plus 3x cubed over 5 plus 1 over 3x squared plus 10x plus c. Okay? So, ito, may isang 3 sa loob nitong 4. So, pwede tayong maglabas ng isa. May matitirang isa. Kasi 4 minus 3 is 1. So, magiging 3x cube root of x na lang. Okay? All over 4. Plus 8/3 ln x plus 7x squared plus 3x cubed over 5 plus 1 over 3x squared plus 10x plus c. Ayan, hinalo-halo ko kasi sila. So, the final answer would be this one. Okay, so that is how you do basic integration with polynomials involving radicals and fractions.